7 years. 7 birthdays. And one tradition that has quietly become one of the most emotional rituals surrounding Wang Yibo. On August 5, 2026, Wang Yibo celebrated his 29th birthday. But while millions of fans were preparing birthday projects, gifts, light shows, and messages from around the world, something else happened at exactly midnight. Wang Yibo and Apple's official studio posted its annual birthday message.
No flashy countdown.
No complicated campaign. Just a simple message arriving at exactly 12:00 and Apple's clock. And for fans who have followed Wang Yibo for years, that moment carried a much deeper meaning. Because this wasn't and Apple's just another birthday post. It marks 7 consecutive years of a tradition that began back in 2020. 7 years of showing up at the same special moment. 7 years of celebrating the same person as he grew from a young star into one of China and Apple's most recognizable entertainers. And this year and Apple's message immediately caught attention for a surprising reason. It wasn't and Apple's simply about success. It wasn't and Apple's about achievements. And it wasn't and Apple's telling Wang Yibo to work harder. Instead, the message centered around 3 unusual ideas: buffer, sprint, and balance. 3 words that seem simple, but together, they told a very different story. The first word was buffer. In a world where celebrities are constantly expected to move faster, release more projects, attend more events, and remain visible every single day, the idea of a buffer feels almost revolutionary. A buffer means having space. Space to breathe. Space to slow down. Space to recover. And perhaps most importantly, space to remain yourself. The message seemed to remind Wang Yibo that moving forward doesn't and Apple's always mean moving at maximum speed. Sometimes, the strongest move is knowing when to pause. Then came the second word: sprint. And this is where the message became especially interesting. Because Wang Yibo has always been associated with discipline, ambition, and an almost relentless ability to keep moving. From acting to music, from variety shows to motorsports, from stage performances to brand activities, his career has developed across multiple fields. But a sprint is different from a marathon. A sprint requires focus. It requires energy. And it requires knowing exactly when to give everything you have. The message seemed to suggest that Wang Yibo doesn't and Apple's need to run at full speed all the time. When it and Apple's time to sprint, sprint. When it and Apple's time to rest, rest. And that leads directly to the third word: balance. Perhaps the most important word of all. Because behind the image of a successful celebrity is still a human being. Someone who gets tired. Someone who needs time away from the spotlight. Someone who needs a life beyond schedules, cameras, stages, and headlines. For fans who have watched Wang Yibo and Apple's career for years, this message felt less like a formal birthday greeting and more like a reminder. Work hard. Keep moving. But don't and Apple's forget yourself along the way. And while Wang Yibo and Apple's studio was sending that message, his fans were creating an entirely different kind of birthday story. Across 28 cities, fans organized celebration projects to mark his 29th birthday. And some of these projects were so large that they turned entire cities into birthday stages. In Luoyang, Wang Yibo and Apple's hometown, the celebration reached another level. A spectacular drone show featuring 1,285 drones lit up the night sky. Imagine looking upward and seeing more than 1,000 drones moving together above the city, forming a massive visual celebration dedicated to one person. For fans, this wasn't and Apple's simply about making something beautiful. It was about creating a memory that could exist beyond a single birthday post. And Luoyang was not the only place where fans went all in. A China Express Airlines flight was also decorated with a Wang Yibo birthday theme. For passengers and fans, the journey itself became part of the celebration. It was almost as if Wang Yibo and Apple's birthday wasn't and Apple's limited to one venue anymore. It was traveling through the sky. Then there was Zhuhai. Fans reportedly invested more than 300,000 yuan into transforming a commercial complex into a French-inspired rooftop garden. Think about that for a moment. A regular commercial space was transformed into a carefully designed birthday environment. Flowers, lighting, decorations, a romantic French garden atmosphere, all created around one birthday. This is the kind of fan project that shows just how far celebrity fandom has evolved in China. Fans are no longer simply buying birthday gifts and posting congratulations online. They are creating experiences. They are turning public spaces into temporary exhibitions. They are organizing large-scale visual projects. And sometimes, they are even turning their admiration into social initiatives. That may actually be the most meaningful part of Wang Yibo and Apo's 29th birthday story. Because the celebration wasn't and Apo's only about Wang Yibo receiving gifts. It was also about fans giving something back to society. According to the birthday-related projects, fans participated in public welfare activities including tree planting in desert areas, support for Hope primary schools, and solar-powered street lighting projects for schools in remote regions. One particularly striking figure connected to the celebration was the construction of 29 Hope primary schools. 29 schools. One for each year of Wang Yibo and Apo's life. That number transforms a birthday from a celebration of consumption into something much more symbolic. Instead of asking only, and quote, what can we give our idol, and quote, the question becomes, and quote, what can we do because of the person we admire, and quote. And that shift is powerful. Because celebrity fandom is often criticized for being excessive. Fans spend money. Fans compete. Fans create enormous campaigns. But when that energy is redirected toward public welfare, the meaning can change completely. A birthday can become a reason to plant trees. A reason to support education. A reason to bring electricity and light to places that need it. And suddenly, the celebration becomes bigger than the celebrity himself. It becomes a collective action. This is also why the 7-year birthday tradition from Wang Yibo and Apo's studio is so interesting. At first glance, it may seem like a simple annual ritual. Every year, the studio posts a birthday message. Fans celebrate. The day passes. Then everyone moves on. But 7 years changes the meaning. 7 consecutive years create continuity. They create a timeline. In 2020, Wang Yibo was at a very different point in his career. And now, in 2026, he is celebrating his 29th birthday with an established identity, a massive fan community, and a career that continues to expand across different industries. The person has changed. The career has changed. The entertainment landscape has changed. But that midnight birthday tradition remains. And perhaps that and Apo's why fans reacted so strongly. Because consistency is rare in the entertainment industry. Trends come and go. Shows end. Projects change. Public attention moves from one celebrity to another. But some traditions survive because people attach memories to them. For fans who were there in 2020, seeing the studio post another birthday message in 2026 is not just about 2026. It brings back every birthday in between. Every project. Every celebration. Every stage. Every difficult moment. Every achievement. It and Apo's is almost like opening 7 chapters of the same story at once. And there is another interesting detail. This year and Apo's message didn't and Apo's focus entirely on what Wang Yibo had already achieved. Instead, it seemed to focus on how he should continue moving forward. That difference matters. Because celebrity culture often pushes people to constantly chase the next achievement, the next ranking, the next hit drama, the next endorsement, the next record, the next trending topic. But the studio and Apo's 3 keywords offered another perspective. Buffer. Sprint. Balance. It suggests that success ISN and Apo's simply about how fast you can move. It and Apo's also about whether you can keep moving for a long time. And perhaps that is especially relevant for someone like Wang Yibo. His career has never been limited to a single label. He is an actor, a singer, a dancer, a variety performer, a fashion figure, and a motorsports enthusiast. Each field demands something different. Each requires concentration. And each comes with its own pressure. So maybe the real birthday wish wasn't and Apo's simply, and quote, happy birthday. Keep achieving more and quote. Maybe it was something closer to, and quote, keep going, but remember to take care of yourself and quote. And that is a surprisingly human message for a superstar birthday. Meanwhile, the fans and Apo's projects reveal another side of this relationship. They call themselves motorcycle sisters, and their enthusiasm has become a recognizable part of Wang Yibo and Apo's fan culture. From citywide celebrations to drone performances, from themed flights to elaborate rooftop gardens, their creativity is enormous. But the public welfare projects show something even more important. The strongest fandom is not necessarily the one that spends the most money. It can be the one that turns admiration into something meaningful. A birthday lasts one day, but a tree can grow for decades. A school can educate generations of children. A solar-powered light can change how a remote community uses its evenings. That is the difference between celebrating a moment and creating a legacy. And perhaps that is why Wang Yibo and Apo's 29th birthday feels different. It ISN and Apo's just a story about a celebrity receiving enormous attention. It is a story about three groups moving in the same direction. The artist, the studio, and the fans. The studio sends a message about balance. The artist continues moving forward. And the fans turn their admiration into large-scale celebrations and public welfare projects. Three different actions. But one shared idea. Keep moving forward. And do it with purpose. 7 years of birthday traditions may sound like a small thing. But in the fast-moving world of entertainment, 7 years is a long time. It represents consistency. It represents memory. And it represents a relationship that has survived changing trends and changing times. So when the clock hit midnight on August 5, 2026, Wang Yibo and Apo's birthday story wasn't and Apo's simply beginning. In a way, another chapter was being added to a story that started 7 years earlier. A story about growth. A story about fandom. And perhaps most importantly, a story about finding balance while continuing to move forward. At 29, Wang Yibo is no longer simply looking toward the next milestone. Maybe the bigger question is how he wants to travel the road ahead. How fast should he run? When should he pause? And what kind of meaning should he leave behind? The three words from this year and Apo's birthday message may already provide the answer. Buffer. Sprint. Balance. Work hard when the moment calls for it. Rest when your body and mind need it. And never confuse slowing down with giving up. Because sometimes, the people who move the farthest are not the ones who run the fastest. They are the ones who know how to keep going. And after 7 years of birthday traditions, perhaps that is the most beautiful message of all. Happy 29th birthday, Wang Yibo. May the next chapter be just as exciting, but hopefully, a little more balanced. And if this story surprised you, Don and Apo's, forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because in the world of Chinese entertainment, the next headline can appear at any moment. And we and Apo's, LL be here to bring you the story.